Hello everyone. As in the previous video, we have seen about the major causes of industrial accidents, where one of the point was the poor maintenance of the equipment. Now we can see one more image here, which actually clearly shows about the poor maintenance of the industrial equipment, particularly where we can see which involves the piping and valve systems. What actually the image shows over here. Here we can see over here the pipes are severely corroded pipes and the walls are also severely corroded. The outer surface is also rusted and possibly there is a leaking here. And here you can see there is a broken elbow joint and cracked elbow joint, which suggests high risk of failure under pressure. Now we can also see in this particular image there is an accumulated grease, and here also below you can see the dirt and oxidation, where it indicates there is neglection of through long term. That means long term neglect. Then this particular, what are the potential hazards? The first potential hazard will be if there is a case of a crack or a broken elbow joint like you are seeing in this particular image, there can be a leakage of hazardous materials. Basically in case of chemical industries or oil industries, or when we talk about gas industries, when there is a broken elbow joint, this could lead to fire or explosion or any kind of toxic exposure, whatever the chemicals or the gases which are flowing through this particular pipes. Second potential hazard can be there will be increased pressure drop, or there can be any kind of blockages also, which will result in insufficient operation, or the total process will come into a breakdown situation. Then the third potential hazard will be the equipment failure if we are not properly maintaining it, and if this is the condition, if you are maintaining very poorly, which will lead to unexpected shutdowns, or there will be a catastrophic rupture. And the last potential hazard can also be a risk to personnel. Then workers who are actually working in the proximity will be exposed to physical injuries or chemical injuries or thermal injuries also. So the potential hazards which are possible due to this poor maintenance of this particular kind of equipment which you are seeing in this particular image: leakage of hazardous materials, increased pressure drop or blockage, equipment failure, or the risk to personnel. Now let us learn about what are the root causes. What are the root causes of such damage? One of the root cause can be the lack of preventive maintenance schedule. Okay, and the second root cause can be there is a failure to inspect those parts of this particular system which are corroded or which are not under proper condition to operate, and ultimately we have to replace these kind of aging parts. Then one more root cause can be very poor corrosion control measures, lack of painting, or lack of any kind of cathodic protection also. And one more root cause can be they are totally neglecting the cleanliness, and the lubrication routines are also missing. So here in this particular case, immediately we have to replace the damaged pipes and the valves. Then we have to initiate a preventive and predictive maintenance program, and we have to apply the protective coatings also. We have to use this corrosion resistant materials also, and regular visual inspections should be done, so that we can avoid these kind of dangers or these kind of accidents. Thank you.